I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Now click Create Integration. Now search and select Trigger, which is JetFormBuilder. Copy the webhook URL and fetch the data. Now go to JetFormBuilder Dashboard. Hover on your form and click on Edit. Now click on Setting. Then click on Post Submit Action under JetForm. Select Call Webhook. Click Edit Action icon. And paste here the webhook URL. Click Update. Now update the form. Now go to your form and fill in the form to fetch data. Submitted. After submitting the form, go to the Bit Integrations dashboard. And here you can see data has been fetched successfully. Now click on Set Action. Now search for Action Agiled CRM. Give a name. In this field, write your Agiled CRM brand name. Agiled.app. For API token, please visit Agiled API token. Copy API key. Paste it in authorization page. Now click on Authorize. Authorized successfully done. Now click on Next. Choose module. Select role. Now map the fields. Here you can see Advance Action. You can use it as per your requirement. Click on Next. Integrations successfully done. Now please click on Finish and Save. Now go to your form and type some information. And submit the form. The form is successfully submitted. Now go to Agiled CRM dashboard. Click on CRM. Then click on Contact. You can see record is created in Contact module. This way you can create integrations. Thanks for watching.